How to get dark mode on Snapchat in Android. In this video, I'll show you the easy trick to get dark mode on Snapchat in Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will know how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure the app is up to date and then you will reach on this camera page. Then you need to select the Bitmoji or the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. And as you can see that the Snapchat has been on the light mode. So to get dark mode, on this profile feed select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to scroll all the way down and above the profile settings you will see app appearance or the app appearance option. Select it and open it. So to get dark mode you have to select always dark option. And switching themes means we will need to restart the app. You need to make sure you have saved anything important. So let's select this restart now button. And again check on the chat section or the Bitmoji icon. By going to profile feed, as you can see that we have successfully get dark mode on Snapchat in Android. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.